Hello, in this video, we're going to see how to add extra charges to the invoices. Let's get started. Go to any invoice that you need to create, whether a sales invoice or purchase invoice, or any other invoices listed under sales or purchase. For this example, I'm going to choose new sale and select your customer, select your products, and at the bottom you will see a button add extra charges. Click on that, and under charges describe for what the extra charge is for. Now for example, we are going to charge additionally 2% for swiping card. So now here type in card swipe, and on percentage of total you can give it as 2. The 2% of total will be displayed in the amount. Click on add charge, and now card swipe of 100 has been added to the invoice. To remove or change the extra charge, click on add extra charge again and click on remove extra charge. Now the extra charge that you have added has been removed. Now let's say you have to add a shipping charge which is fixed. Now click on add extra charges and type in shipping and clear this 2% or anything you have entered here. On the amount, type your shipping charge. Click on add extra charge. Now the shipping charge of 500 has been added. Click on save invoice. Note this, according to your invoice format, the extra charge may show or may not show. You have to select the template which has the extra charge. So now the template 3 has extra charge field. So now it is showing here shipping of 500. Thank you for watching.